Hello, hi, good morning, my dear students, special P2 Leviticus and numbers, my beautiful girl and handsome boy. Okay, good. Now, Miss Sandy hope all of you are fine. And today, what day is today? Yeah, today is the Thursday. As usual, we have the class for science lessons. Okay, good. Nah, Miss Shanti already make the PowerPoints and please listen the Miss Shanti explains because Miss Shanti also have the video to make your or our materials can understand ya, untuk membuat materi kita ini lebih mengerti lagi. Jadi Miss kasih kamu satu referensi melalui video YouTube tentang kita hari ini because why? Because we have the new topic for today. The last topic we talk about force, but for this topic ya, special for chapter 14, yeah, we want to talk about tools help us. Okay, are you ready to study? Yeah, good. Now, one more. What do you want to say? Our material. Tools help us. Do you know the meaning there? Yeah, the meaning that is tools. It means perkakas atau alat. Ya. So some of tools help us. Some of tools are around us. Jadi ada beberapa perkakas yang ada di sekitar kita yang dapat membantu kita, help us to do some things, membantu kita untuk melakukan sesuatu. For example, we have around us like in our house, di rumah kita, okay? In the living room, for example, in the bedrooms, in the kitchens, in the garage. Now there are some tools help us to do some things. Let's discuss together what are they. Okay, are you ready? Yeah, okay, good. Now, what is the tools? Actually, tools can big and small. For example, in our environment, special in house, let me explain what kinds of tools in garage, what kinds of tools in kitchens. Okay, so before it, what is the tools? A tool is an object used to perform work. Tools and machines make our life easier. Some tools are very simple, it means a few parts, and other are more complex or a lot of parts. Jadi kalau perkakas atau alat itu adalah sebuah benda yang digunakan untuk kita menggunakan benda itu untuk bekerja. Nah, alat atau mesin tersebut itu membuat pekerjaan kita atau kita dalam bekerja dengan hidup kita itu lebih mudah because that's why tools and machines is very important to our life. And then my dear students, we can find them like some of the tools all over the house, like Miss Shanti say, the living room, garage, kitchens. Okay, so Miss Shanti want to explain that. Now look at this. Look at your science textbook. You can open your science textbook page 64 and 65. Okay, look at the Dr. Shoe, Tom and Shoe. They are do some things like Dr. Shoe want to put on the lamps, and then Tom want to bring some of the boxes, and then Shoe want to do some things or want to do like to arrange the things. So they are have or should have some tools to make the activity easier. Jadi mereka harus mempunyai beberapa alat supaya pekerjaan mereka tuh lebih mudah. Like the Dr. Shoe. Dr. Shoe need some tools. Needs a tools like ladder. You know ladder it means tangga lipat. Not stairs. Stair it is the stay, cannot move. But ladder it is portable. Jadi tangganya lipat bisa dipindah-pindahkan. Okay. And then Tom also they want to bring some boxes, so they need tools like wagon or trolley. Okay, like that. And then let's find out together based on your science textbooks. The first is, what tools do we often use? Yeah, it's depend to you. Look at around of your house, lihat sekeliling rumah kamu. Okay, and then what tools do we often use? Like Miss Yanti, I always use scissors. Yeah, saya if Miss Yanti want to cut some things, yeah, I use scissors. Or when you at school or at home, they want to do your homeworks, yeah, if you want to do them, and then your pencils is tumpul, so you need sharpener to sharp your pencil, yeah, to sharp untuk merawat pensel kamu. It is examples of the tools around us. Okay, and then how do tools help us? For example, scissors to cut some things, to cut paper, and then this one to sharpen the pencil. And then the third point is, what are tools made up of? For example, like scissors made up from metal, and then sharpener made up from metal and plastic too. Okay, and then the fourth point, what happens if a tool is missing? Nah, bagaimana, apa yang terjadi ketika salah satu bagiannya ini hilang, like scissors? Yeah, of course, the scissors cannot work together if some parts is missing. Ya, otomatis gunting ini tidak akan bisa bekerja ketika salah satu bagiannya yang hilang. So, the scissors have two parts, ya, harus mempunyai dua bagian, okay, left and right parts, so they can work together. If they're missing one part, how come to cut the paper? Understand? Ya, mengerti kan kenapa scissors itu digunakan untuk menggunting dan harus dua bagian, tidak boleh satu bagian, untuk bisa dapat menggunting sesuatu baik kertas ataupun yang lainnya. Okay, so what do you use to move house? Nah, this depend on you. Okay, next, can open page 62 and 63. Yeah, just now Miss Yanti say 61 and 62, 60, and then 60 and 61. Now we go to next page 62 and 63. Kita akan ke halaman selanjutnya, di halaman 62 63. Look at the pictures, look at your science textbooks. Sue and Dr. Sue and Tom's, they also do some things, yeah, in the kitchen, right? The situation in the kitchen. So can you say, or can you mention some of tools that are they using, yang sedang mereka gunakan? Like, look at Sue use the screwdriver, ya, seperti obeng, to open atau to make the lock, the knob of the top of the pan. And then like Dr. Shu also, they use tools like can opener. Dia juga menggunakan sebuah benda atau perkakas, seperti namanya itulah namely called can opener, seperti pembuka kaleng. They want to open the can. And then next is Tom, they want to bring plastic or things, so she must need the trolley to move the things to the other page. And then also they have the broom also in the kitchens, yeah. Broom also, they want to sweep the floor by using the broom. So it is some of tools in the kitchens. Ada beberapa benda ataupun alat yang terdapat di dapur. Okay, next, look at this. Tool help us. Miss Yanti want to show some of the tools around us, like ladder. Just now Miss Yanti say tangga, lipat, portable, and then screwdriver. What is this? Can you mention the 4 things in our slide? Oh, let's to discuss together. Maybe some of you don't know how to say these things. Okay, the first is can opener. It means alat pembuka kaleng. This is some of the tools. And then mopping, you know mopping? Yeah, pengepel. It is around in the kitchens, ya, in our kitchens, di sekeliling dapur kita. And then trolley, the trolley, ya, kereta dorong. And then broom also, it is some of the tools. And then look at this. Nah, in this slide, you can know the name of the things like scissors, yeah, scissors. And then next spanner, it means obeng. And then screwdriver, pembuka baut, ya, temur. Next, tang, in English is levers. And then so it means gergaji. Okay, it is some of the tools in English that you can find in the kitchens or in the garage. Bisa kamu temukan di garasi ataupun di gudang dan di kitchen ataupun di dapur kamu. Okay, and then for exercise, I think that's all. Yeah, you have to knowing some of the tools around us, like in the kitchens, garage, living rooms, and your warehouse, di gudang kamu. Ya, kamu harus tahu. Jadi for today, Miss Shanti want you please find out some of the tools around at your house. Sekarang tugasnya ataupun praktiknya adalah temukan beberapa benda atau alat perkakas yang berada di sekitar rumah kamu. Prepare that for the next meetings. We have the meetings by Zoom, so please bring your things, ya, when we have the Zoom. Tolong bawa benda-benda kamu yang 5 tadi saat kita Zoom. Please show to Miss Shanti. Okay, see you for the next meetings by using the Zoom for science lessons. Okay, and the exercise 2, please rewrite our material at slide 6 and 9 until 12 in your science writing. It is for your note, catatan kamu. How come you just listen what Miss Shanti say without your writing, ya? Harus menulis sebagai ada bahan catatannya. Next, please later do the task, do the exercise page 34 and 35 in your activity science. There are some of the pictures. Look at the pictures and then please circles, yeah, to show the things based on the pictures, or to show the tools based on the picture. Lingkari, ya, apa saja ataupun yang mana alat yang digunakan. So only the tools, ya, not all, not include the women or the peoples, only the things or the tools. Understand? Because why? Some of you, yeah, when you answer the questions, you circle all. Miss Shanti only make the specials, yeah, based on the instruction. Not all, not include the people, just tools. Okay? Nah, if you have any questions, you can ask me by call me or WhatsApp. Okay, my dear students, you understand about our material for today? Yeah, I hope you understand that. Please learn more. You can read the books, your science textbook. Okay, I think that's all, my dear students. Thank you for your time. Keep spirit, keep study, and then happy Thursday. See you and bye-bye.